Hello, good day everyone. So welcome to Info and Skill Bridge. You're heartily welcome for the demo for SQL and ETL developer course. So who all are watching this recording, I recommend you guys to watch it in the speed of 1.25. Let me start with the demo session. So these are the content I'm going to discuss today about the trainer and how MSBI tool works and what are the job opportunities and salary range we have in SQL and MSBI and what you mean by hybrid classes, how it works, and the path of the success, audience, and success stories. So these are the content we're going to discuss today, and let me go to first slide. So this is me, Vinod B. Hugar. I'm educated with BA and MBA IT in finance, and I have 7 years plus of experience in IT and non-IT both. And I have expertise in SQL, SSIS, SSRS, SFMC, Python, and Adobe Campaign developments. And also, I have awarded two lifetime achievements in my college days. Like one is VTU University Gold in Taekwondo. It's a part of martial arts. And also, I have a silver medal in mimicry that is in VTU Fest. These are the two achievements in my college days. And also, I'm a better performer and quarterly award received from the company. And that is also part of it. So when it comes to MSBI, let me discuss about the functionality of the MSBI. MSBI is nothing but a Microsoft Business Intelligence tools. So let's say it's not only one tool. We cover total. It's a package. MSBI is a complete package. We cover complete ETL process and SQL process and reporting tool. In SSIS is nothing but a ETL tool, which do the extract, transfer, and load functionality. SSS, I will give the brief example like how SSIS works. Okay. For example, let's see I'm running a showroom, like I have a Royal Enfield showroom. So I have a data in Excel sheet. I wanted to store that data in a database, but that all data is saved in an Excel sheet as of now. So I have around 5 years data. So I wanted to transfer those data to database. So what I do in ETL process in SSIS, I will filter out the required information. I have all the information. In that information, I wanted to filter out the customers based on the state, based on the age, or based on the email IDs, something like that. So based on age category or based on the model which they bought, Royal Enfield, which model they bought. Based on that, I'm going to filter out the data and I will do some modification in that data. And the end fresh quality data, I'm going to transfer to the SQL database. So once data is transferred to SQL, SQL is a query language which can be able to communicate with the database. It will help to create the tables and do manipulation in the data, and you can do whatever the manipulation required by using the SQL language. Okay, that can be done in MS SQL. Is one of the, this is the course where we are learning for complete developer course. It's not like a just a surface level course. It's a MSBI developer course. We teach you from the scratch to advanced level. Okay, and once the data is ready at database level, again it will move to SSRS. SSRS is nothing but it's before the version of the Power BI, which is helpful to see the reports. Okay, for you we have a drill down, drill through reports, all those reports, like whatever the customers we wanted to see, we can see it in chart wise, like bar chart, pie chart, all those things. The relationship that we are building from SSRS to database, whatever data is here in the SQL, that we are triggering out and we are making some reports using the SSRS tool. And when it comes to the syllabus content and what are the things we are going to discuss, this is a screen with a chart. We have a different wings like MS SQL, SSIS, SRS, and what are the hours we are going to cover. In MS SQL, we cover basic SQL, TSQL, and advanced SQLs. And SSIS, we cover source, task, containers, and transformation, all those things. This complete chart I'm going to explain in the syllabus copy. So after this completion of technical part, we are going to cover about the profile building activities. Like we will be monitoring you one by one. It's like a one-on-one mentorship. So we are going to build your CV based on your knowledge and your performance in the classes. And also we will help you to build the LinkedIn profile, Naukri profile, and we will help you to build the project preparation and interview preparation, all those steps. Along with that, we have a mock interviews and we will take you 10 mock interviews, which are, similar kind of the real interviews. So that is what we cover in MSBI. And if you come to me like why we have to do SQL, there are so many tools. Why only SQL is so much important. So if you ask me this question, so SQL is record for everything. Is there from the past year. It will be there for future. Okay, there are multiple tools available in SQL. Again, there are multiple versions are available, but SQL having a same kind of language and commands. Commands are little bit changes when you go to MySQL and MS SQL, but the coding side there is no big change. Okay, that is a constant, and SQL is required for everything. So whenever you want to, manipulate the data, when you want to, do some transaction with the data, so data is nothing but a information. So information is everything in nowadays. If you are a developer, software development, you are doing the activity of software development. In backend, definitely you need a database. For database, you need an interaction. For interaction, you need a SQL. So that's how it's not only for that. It's required for data science and machine learning nowadays. You guys see like AI is booming, and cloud computing, big data. There's all stuffs required a SQL, and also there are some critical industries like healthcare, finance, e-commerce, and telecommunication. These sectors are completely depending on the information. For example, one patient admitted to your hospital, so you wanted to keep the data for the longer run. Whenever you want to, inform that your patient, saying that you have a reappointment on this day, you have to revisit the hospital. Then if you have a information, if your information is saved, if a patient information is saved, you can easily communicate. So, for example, I'm a Geo SIM holder. So my Geo recharge is due for the next month. So how I will reach? How the Geo team will reach me? So if they have a proper information, then only they will reach me. This is how some of the data involved companies are there. So they require SQL. Okay, there are some industries they are totally depending on the information, means data. So SQL is having I can say, in my feeling, in my point of view, it's like a no death IT tool. Okay, so I'm seeing this SQL from long time, and in future also there are so many opportunities coming in, and there are high chances of having high recruitments in coming days because of this big data and AI coming in. And also, most used programming language among the developers, this source is from Statista. And the third programming language in the world, most of the developers are using is a SQL. So fourth is in Python. So that is the reason, like many of the students, or many of the people I see, like after they are doing the degree or in their degree, they decide the course based on the seniors' thought process, or someone is telling, okay, do some course like testing or manual testing or some other courses. But whenever you're doing any courses, I'm not telling for only testing. I'm telling for SQL, Java, anything, C plus, PHP, anything. But try to do some investigation analysis from your side, like what is the demand in the market. Okay, if demand is there, then high projects are available, then job opportunities are more, and future is high. If you have to see for the long run, not for the short run. Okay, now you are getting job. Okay, fine. How you will sustain in the job? You will sustain for 1 year, you will sustain for 2 year, or you will sustain for 10 year. So that we need to analyze. So then you have to take the decision according to your analyze. So when you do some basic analyze, you will have a more confidence to stay in that tool for the long run, and you will show more interest to work in that tool. Otherwise, what will happen? You will learn one tool, and some other companies will say, okay, this is not sufficient. You learn this one. Again, you will upgrade and you will forget the previous tool. Correct? This is how it's happening. That is the reason. So you require one strong coding language in the backend. So that will stay with you a longer time. Okay, that is the reason, like do some analysis before joining any of the courses. Not for this course I'm saying, for any of the course, you just do some analyze which is having a more demand in the market. And in SQL, we have multiple MongoDB is there, PostgreSQL is there, MS SQL, MySQL, Oracle SQL. But third most tool we are using is like Microsoft SQL. Okay. And when you ask me like what are the job opportunities I will get once I complete this course, what are the job roles I can get? So you will get a job role as a SQL developer or ETL developer, data engineer, data analyst, data architect, report developer, software engineer, cloud data engineer, MSBI developer, database developer. There are so many designations are available. So I see in many of the branded institutes in the market, they teach SQL as a surface level. They teach some of the commands, and they will say this is much as a SQL is required for your job role. But SQL is a OCM. Okay, when you come to the developer role, SQL is very big. Okay, there are so many things are there to learn in a SQL. But in market, we see generally people will train for the basic level that up to which can be fulfill your job, but not at the optimal level. So in this scenario, so we are going to cover all of the basic steps to advanced level steps in this course. So if you come to the salary range, if a person is having a 0 to 2 years experience, he can get 5 LPA. If the person is having a 2 to 3 years of experience, he will get 7 LPA. And if the person is having more than 5 years with a good, strong coding language, he can get up to 25 LPM. It will be more than 25 LPA. This is a real case scenario which I have put my experience together, and I have reviewed multiple people, and this is a scenario, experience based data I have collected. You can cross check one more time if you required. So even if you completed SQL, you can get the data scientist role as well. So these are the job openings which can be eligible after completing this course. And before going to hybrid class method, so I wanted to quickly cover the syllabus first. So these are the syllabus points we are going to cover. SQL we cover, from the scratch, like what you mean by DBMS and RDBMS2, CTA, ranking function, CTA and TSQL, synonyms and cursors, triggers, store procedures, UDF, all those stuffs we cover. And more importantly, we cover the advanced topics. You see, most experienced persons in the real industry, so they're not aware of the advanced topics, because they are working in some of the parts here, but these are the parts, very critical parts, which every developer should aware. Okay, in this area, we are going to cover fragmentation, transaction properties, what you mean by normalization, dead loss, dynamic skill, all those steps we are going to cover in our courses. And also when it comes to SSRS, we are covering reporting, deployment, expression, grouping, and also we covered what you mean by matrix reports, sub reports, drill down reports, drill through reports, linked reports, cascading reports, all those steps. And if you come to SSIS ETL process, we cover parameters, variables, event handlers, package explorers, loggings, and deployment parts. And sources, we cover Excel, flat file, OLD, XML. And also there are so many things we cover here, like transformation, like a derived columns, data conversion, aggregate merge. So you take your time to review this syllabus copy one more time. So we are not leaving any of the topic here. So we are covering most of the topics, because our intention is to not only to complete the course. Our intention is to, once you complete this course, you should have ability to handle up to 0 to 4 years of experience. Okay, so you will be more equal, I can say more than equal of 0 to 4 years experience gap. So once you complete this course, this is not a basic course, you require a lot of dedication, because in this case, if you see the hours which we cover, the content is more than 100 for SQL. You just imagine. So once you started the SQL classes, we provide notes during the hours, class hours. Your notes will be like 400 pages, approximate, I can say. So you require the ETL to complete 26 hours, and SSRs 18 hours, and profile building and mock interview, so on and so go. So this is how we cover all the topics with a detailed explained view. Okay. And when you come to the hybrid class method, so what do you mean by hybrid class method? See, once you enroll the courses here, this is the website where you will get all the information skill bridge. Once you enroll to this course, once you enroll to this course, you go to course area. Okay, you will get to know job oriented SQL. This is the complete package which I'm giving you a demo now. So this price of the cost of the course might be vary, depends on the offers available in the website. So if you come here, we explain all the descriptions of the course details and all. When you come to syllabus, we have a multiple tabs like SQL, ETL, and SSRS and profile building. If you click on SQL, after the each of the topics like basic SQL, we provide the quizzes and assignments. Okay. So once you enroll to this course, you are going to access for these classes. Okay, these are the recorded classes, because most of the time, so what happens, I'll be working in a different shift because I'm a real trainer. So I'll be working in a company, and again, I'm doing it as a my part of interest as a freelancing. So when I working, so I'll be having a very less time to schedule the classes or take the classes. So once you get enrolled, for example, you wanted to change your domain or you are busy with some of the parts, so you are not able to attend the live class as per my schedule. So that is the reason once you enroll, you can access this class anytime with a flexible of your timing. Like whenever you are free, you can just watch the classes. And once you complete the basic part, you are going to get the quizzes and assignments. That these assignments you have to submit. I have some questions, very important questions that you need to solve and re-upload in the domain. And the same way, quizzes also you need to pass. I'll be tracing out your all the data, like what are the activities you are doing and how many classes you are doing. All those details are stored in this LMS portal. Okay, this is the dedicated portal. We can track all the details. Okay, once you get a time, just review these details. Like everything is uploaded in the portal. You can able to access these syllabus and quizzes and all those things. And we will be having a weekly one live discussion in a weekend time, especially on Sunday, because all of you will be busy in working in a different schedule. So probably someone will cover the class in the morning, someone will cover in the class in the evening. So we all together sit on one weekend and we discuss whatever the doubts we left for the week, and we will solve here and there. So because the classes are made like a very ultra clear, the doubts will be not left such a way that classes are covered from basics to advanced level. So if you're still left with the doubts, we are going to discuss in weekly classes. Okay, the weekly classes are like a no limit, like there are no such a limit. So we are putting, so whatever doubts are there, if you are able to attend the live discussion class, you can we are able to clear your doubts. And also there is a one more beauty of this course is like we will get a you will get a 100% placement support. That is into a very who all are want, like I want to switch my job, so I badly required a job, so I'm ready to put my effort, but I need a job. So that kind of people can it is very helpful for them, because most of the in training centers I see, like they commit for 100% placement, but they don't track much of the student information as I see. Because even before doing this, I was studied in multiple institutes, I spent more time and money, but that things was not happen. So if you come to the part of the tracker side, we track each and every student's weekly basis. So you see, we have a student informations over here, and we track you guys weekly how many discussions you attended and what are the discussions you completed and why you are not present. That all discussions will be tracked out, and mock interviews also we are tracking your attendance. And one student is in placement support, who all our students are completed all the course and they completed mock interviews, everything. We are tracking them a weekly basis. Okay, live discussions are happening for the technical part, and placement support is a separate. So once you complete all these technical parts, complete syllabus, and you completed the mock interview stage, now you enter to placement support stage. Placement support we are tracking weekly basis on Saturdays. So we have a separate WhatsApp group where all we communicate, and for example, the student, he completed the complete technical side, he completed mock interviews, we prepared CV, we prep, he's ready for the launch. So when he start giving interview, we will scheduling the call on Saturdays, and we are sitting together, and we are analyzing how many interviews he given for the week, and what are the HR contact details, and who is the student, what is the HR, which company, and what is the HR details. All details we are gathering, and we are tracking it out. Like for example, the company Aishwarya has given one of the interview in Sun Technology, and HR screening is completed. Okay, technical round is completed. Technical true round scheduled or not. Third round is not available, not required. So manager round completed or not. For HR final discussion happened or not. This is how we track them for the 100% placement support. Okay, this will be happening every week basis. There is no such a limit for this. Once you enroll these courses, you will be able to get the 100% placement support for throughout year, but that will happen yearly, weekly one live placement support discussions. Okay, that's how we track each and every student data, and also we collect some questions from whatever the questions they have received from the this thing. And if you come to the student data, you can able to see, like we are monitoring their offer letters, and how many interviews she has given, how many offers in hold, how many offers she received. All those stuffs we are going to maintain in the separate sheet. This is how the placement support works, system work. The weekly live discussion is for the student who all are enrolled the course and still they not completed technical part. Okay, they have a technical discussion for them, and once they complete the courses, then they are moving to 100% placement support area, where the separate group will be created, and the placement support will be tracked separately. So complete course duration is required like up to 3 months. It depends on you, like how much time you put for your effort. But the admissions, the course enrollments will happen 24/7 throughout the year. Anytime you can enroll. That is a flexibility. And once you enroll, immediately the next week, the same week, Sunday onwards, you start your discussions and everything will be start happening. And also notes will be provided during the your class hours, and 1 year of access we will provide for the course. Once you enroll, you will be having access for 1 year. The whatever the live discussions, whatever the placement server you will get it for 1 year. And we will having a bonus of 10 mock interviews. This is the beauty of this course. Once you complete your technical course, one all the technical things you aware, so before you are going to give a real interview, we are going to cover up the few very important real interview questions. Okay. So for example, I can say in 10 mock interviews, I will cover 220 real interview questions, which are having a more efficient of 80% coming in the real interview. Okay. Whatever the questions I'm asking, that will come in a real interview up to 80% of accuracy, I can say. Okay. That's how we build. For example, you may fail in my first interview, second interview you may fail, but you will not fail for the 10 interviews, next 10 interviews. So you will be having a more confidence of answering the questions. It's like same real interviews. Okay, it's same like a real interviews. Your confidence will boost, and your concept understanding will boost, and here and there we will make you understand the concept. Okay, you are weak in this concept, you try to improve in this concept. Okay, you are weak in join, try to improve here. This is how we work with the students. It's like a one-on-one monitoring system. So we will guide the students by irrespective of students by one. So that's how we track the students. And these mock interviews are very really helpful in a previous batches, because most of the students got the offer letter based on the mock interviews itself. Okay, because they are able to. Our intention is not only to train and leave you. Our intention is to get the offer letter, and once you get an offer letter, once you enter the organization, you should able to fulfill the organization requirement as well. Okay, so because simply getting the job, and after getting the job, you should able to know how I should work and how I can give my best in the organization. Because you should not become a bad to the organization. So you should have a ability to handle any kind of the issues or tickets or development activities in your real time. Okay, that's how we train here. So, and we provide the course completion certificate. You can see in the website we have uploaded. So once you complete the course, this course will be course completion certificate provided from our side. This is not a global certification. So this is just a course completion certificate. This is just evidence that you are completed a course here. Okay, that much I can say. But if you need any standard certification, you have so many certifications like Azure certification, DP 900, DP 203. Those certification you can cover it up. So, and also you will provide the quiz and assignments questions. Like assignments questions, we provide are up to more than 500 questions. You will learn all technical things. You learn the mock interviews, so many things. You face mock interview. Assignments will helpful to improve your ability to solve the queries. Okay, we provide more than 500 queries, which can able to make you stronger in coding side. Because SQL is like a game. It's like a maths. Okay, more you practice, you will become a more stronger. It's a developer course. As I said, it's not a basic course to cover some DDML, DML commands and all. This is a developer's course. So here you are going to learn so many things with a practice, with a hands-on experience. Okay, and quiz will be provided based on the content, like based on the syllabus which you have covered. Okay, and also the path of the success is like, as I said, like we'll have a weekly one live discussion, and we provide a quiz and assignment discussion, like more than 500 questions plus answers. And we do prepare you for a project preparation, and we provide 10 mock interviews which are having 80% of accuracy. And we will build the CV and your profile one by one, connecting with one by one. And afterwards, once you get an offer letter, we'll take a success story of yours. This is how the path of the success we have in Infowin. And who all are eligible candidates for this course? The audience. See, the audience are the recent graduates, any degree I can say, because we have a students who all are from BCA, B in civil, B in mechanical. Even I am also B in mechanical. It does not mean that you should have a coding knowledge before. So even though I have a zero coding knowledge, I learned so many things here, and I started my career in coding side. Okay, so there is no separate barricade for the degree. Any degree can do, but only requirement is your communication. You should have a better English communication. That's it. And coding side, you nothing to worry. I will be taking care of making you stronger in coding side. Okay, we will start from A for Apple to till advanced level. A for advanced. Okay, A for Apple to A for advanced. That you nothing to worry, but you need to worry on your willpower and your English communication. Okay, and who all are people they want to themselves to change the domain for database side. Definitely this platform is for you. You guys can have change your domain in time. So but these skills, whatever the course you have developed, this is for 0 to 4 years experience, can easily handle the real time work as well as the interviews. Okay, and if you have a zero coding knowledge, nothing to worry. Definitely this platform is right for you. You can easily jump into here. And the people who have gaps after the education, they wanted to upgrade, then definitely this platform is for you. Okay, these are the targeting audience which we are offering this course. And also we have some success stories. You can see there are multiple success stories we have here. Some people got software engineer post, some people got technique. Designation does not matter. Okay, the what work you are doing in the companies, it matters a lot. And also we have so many people who are completed the courses in a different institute. They trouble a lot, they struggle a lot for 1 or 2 years. They spend so many hours to learn different courses, but they didn't get a job. The end of the time they came to me and they said, look, this is our last chance, sir. We spent so much of time and money in the market, but we didn't get a job. So I took it as a personal challenge. I trained them with my process with a hybrid classes method. So most of the students will able to handle it, and they got very good offers. Okay, some people got a joining bonus of 1.2 lakh. Some people got joining bonus of 80 lakh, 80,000. So this is how it works. Okay, they have a beginning of package. For example, let's say there are students like 1 or 2 years experience, 2 to 3 years of experience. Okay, even till day I didn't get my joining bonus, but my students go. Most of the students got joining bonus. That is a happy part. Happy part here. And these are the recent placed students screenshots. Once they got offer letter, they are very happy, and their parents and families are proud about them, and they posted text message, giving the gratitude about the course and the effort which I have put. So these are the screenshot evidence that I'm showing in the screen. So whatever we are training here, that absolutely no any hidden things. So whatever I'm saying, that all is very transparent and very clear. Okay. So the last, you may get a question like why you need to join us. Okay, the reason to join us. Whatever the course we are offering, it's all real-time trainers. Okay, there are no paid trainers here. Okay, we are getting a salary and we are getting trained. So whatever the real time we are working, whatever the scenarios we face in real time, that we are going to transfer the knowledge to you. Okay, so you will get the actual market connectivity where you can get the real time scenario based solutions. Okay, that's how it works. And also we have a personalized one-on-one mentorship. So once you enroll here, we will be taking care of you for 1 year of course validity. So personally monitoring your informations, like what things you know, what things you need to improve, all those things we are going to monitor. Okay, and also we provide 10 mock interviews. As I said, like there are 80% of accuracy. So whatever questions you are covering, the same questions you may get in real interview. Okay, that is up to 80% of accuracy, I can say, commit. Okay, and also we have 500 plus quiz and assignment questions and answers that is available in the portal. Once you enroll, your LMS portal get open and your discussions will start happen. And also we have a flexible class timings. These are hybrid class timings. There is no restriction. You have to attend in the live particular timeline, nothing, because some of the students we have, they all are having a kids in home, and they have to have a lot of commitments in family side. They have to take care of kids and parents and all those stuffs. But still they are putting hard work to complete this course that they are attending in their flexible time, sometime night, sometime morning. Somehow they are managing. This is the beauty of this class, having the hybrid classes method, so you can attend anywhere you want. And we are also coming in Android app very soon. We are developing that. And the class content we covered, not only basic to advanced, is a developer course. Again, I am saying this is a developer course. It's not like a basic course. Okay, whatever you're learning from scratch to advanced level with the actual quality of content is related to market. It's a real time content. And also notes will be provided for your reference during the class hours. You need to make a notes. Whatever the classes we are covering, you have to make a notes. And why SQL we need to choose? There's a very important question. I wanted to cover it out because see, most of the students, I see most of the people, what we do is all are doing one course. For example, let's say I'm just for example, I'm taking. So I'm doing testing. I will also do. Okay, I'm doing testing. I will tell my 10 friends do testing. Okay, he will get job. This is how randomly people are picking the course and they are completing. But even though market is not having such a opportunities, market is not having such a demand, then still we are covering so many courses. In CV looks like it's a 2 to 3 pages, but no job opportunities in the market. So before taking any of the course, try to analyze the market. Try to analyze. So SQL is like if you compare to cricket, SQL is like a cricket. If you compare SQL to cricket, so we have a less fielders in the ground. If you hit four and sixes, easily it will reach to boundary. Okay, that's how it's like. Okay, there are very less people aware of this course. So once you enroll, you definitely will start getting the interview calls and you will get placed. Okay, that's how the course is defined here. And you will get the 100% placement support throughout a year and weekly one discussion for 100 placement support separately. The live discussion is separately. Okay, and the placement support is separately. Live discussion weekly one happens on Sunday and placement support happens every Saturday. Okay, we will track all the information. What are the interviews you cover for that week? What are the questions are being asked? Okay, what is the answer for that? Where you need to improve and how many interviews you given? Okay, when you will get offer letter? Okay, for this issue, what you have to answer? For this thing, what you have to do? We will guide you from each and every step in a placement support side. Okay, that is the important. So many education institutes, they will say placement support, but they generally fail to give the 100% placement support. We are getting good results, good offer letters because of the placement support. Especially many of the students pick our courses because of the placement support we provide. Once you complete the course, you will going to get the course completion certificate. And these are the upcoming courses we are launching very soon. We are entering to Azure Data Factory, we are entering to Power BI, and we are launching ERP ERP related courses like SAP Ease Retail and SAP F&R and SAP Car. Okay, these are the upcoming courses we are launching from the software and technology side because the booming technology, like a few of the companies may use SSRS, few of the companies for reporting purpose they use Power BI. That is the reason we are thinking to launch updated versions as per the market. Okay, and some companies use SSIS as a ETL doing integrations. Some companies use the Azure Data Factory. That is the reason we are planning to launch the ADF also. So these are the course upcoming. And comes to the stock market courses, we are launching a few courses related to business analysis. Okay, how to analyze the businesses related to. We have a separate faculty for that who is having a more experience in that. These all things for only education purpose. Not there is no buy sell recommendations will be provided. This is not a forum. Just it's we are giving it just for the education purpose and to understand how we can understand the fundamentals, valuations, and technical and sectoral analysis in the businesses. Okay, these are the things we are going to cover out. Okay, so these are the courses we are launching up very soon, and this is it. If you have any questions, you can directly reach out to this displayed number or a website you can reach out. And before going to end this session, I wanted to show you the website one more time, how to enroll and all those things. So if you click on YouTube, you are going to redirect to our YouTube channel. If you click on Instagram, you are redirected to Instagram. So, and also we have, if you click on courses, you are going to launch to the course plan. So these are the facilities we provide: assignments, learn anytime, anywhere, and student discussion forums will be available. And the faculty is extraordinary faculty we have. And also the LMS portal is very flexible. You can watch it out in your devices, and you can attend whenever you have a time. And also these are the four top courses as of now we have, and the prices might be vary depends on the discount, whichever the seasonable discount we will be providing. And also this is our team. There are multiple faculties coming in upcoming days, like multiple courses we are planning to launch. And these are all experienced faculty, and also these are the success stories which I have shown in the previous screen. And also you will get the certificate once you complete your course. And we are coming up in Android and App Store very soon. We are working on that. And also, yeah, any questions, any queries, you can reach out to